You manage 1,000 Windows 11 endpoints enrolled in Microsoft Intune via your Microsoft 365 tenant. You need to implement and track a compliance policy that checks the system BIOS version on these machines. What is the correct sequence of 4 actions you should perform? Option A, review the compliance dashboard for results. Option B, create and assign a compliance policy that has system security settings configured. Option C, review the Conditional Access Insights and Reporting Workbook for results. Option D, review the Windows Update Compliance Dashboard for results. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. We have 1,000 Windows 11 endpoints managed via Intune, and we need to track a compliance policy that checks the system BIOS version on these machines. The correct sequence for this is a 2-step process. First, we need to create and assign a compliance policy. And while this can be done through system security settings, the more accurate answer is B, create and assign a compliance policy that has system security settings configured. Then, once the policy has been applied, we need to review the compliance dashboard for results. So option A is the correct sequence of actions. Review the compliance dashboard for results. The other options are not correct. For example, option C, review the Conditional Access Insights and Reporting Workbook for results, would not be performed after a compliance policy. And option D, review the Windows Update Compliance Dashboard for results, would not be the proper reporting for a compliance policy in Intune. So to summarize,
Option D, create a PowerShell discovery script and a JSON file. Option E, upload the PowerShell script to Intune. Option F, upload the JSON file to Azure AD. Option G, create and assign a custom compliancy policy. In my view, the correct sequence of 4 actions is options D, E, G, and A. To validate device properties not natively exposed in standard Intune compliance policies, such as the BIOS version, you must use custom compliance policies. The correct workflow begins by creating a PowerShell discovery script and a corresponding JSON configuration file. Next, you upload the PowerShell discovery script to Intune. Following the upload, you create and assign the custom compliance policy in the Intune portal, referencing the uploaded script and JSON file. Finally, once devices evaluate the policy, you review the compliance dashboard for the results. Options B, C, and F are incorrect because standard system security settings do not cover custom BIOS checks. JSON files are not uploaded directly to Azure AD for this workflow, and Conditional Access Insights are not the primary place to check raw compliance results.